Let's get into this New Orleans dish, Yakamein, which is a Chinese African American fusion dish. Okay, this is like Chinese food with soul. We're gonna start off by taking our vegan steak and we're adding our seasonings to it. I'm gonna using some vegan Worcestershire sauces, some Cajun seasoning, salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and some smoked paprika. Then I'm gonna set it aside for about 30 minutes. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and take my avocado oil and add in some onions and garlic, and I'm gonna use some mushroom stock. And you see that this is a no chicken vegan bouillon. I had to show y'all because y'all be coming for your girl and I be trying to tell y'all they make vegan products. Next with this broth, we're going to add all those seasons that we used before. And we're also going to add in some bay leaves, a little bit of browning, liquid smoke, hot sauce, and anything else I left out, I'll make sure I add in the description box below. As our broth simmer for those 30 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and start working on my vegan meat. Now I do cook that up for about 10 minutes and I add my parsley at the end so you can taste the fresh herbs. Now I cook my spaghetti noodles in some salted water and I'm adding that to my bowl. And I'm going to go ahead and start building my bowl. And I added my vegan meat and you see my vegan eggs and my vegan shrimp. And I have a video. If you check out my seafood gumbo video, you'll see how I prep my shrimp. And voila, this is my Yaka main bowl. One thing is for sure, this recipe is absolutely delicious, but I know I am not pronouncing it right. So let me know how I pronounce it in the comments and follow Chef Joy where I veganize your favorite recipes.